Hi parents, meet the Aainbeots silicone baby feeding set designed to make mealtime mess-free and fun. This 10-piece set includes an adjustable bib with a food catcher, a suction-divided plate, a suction bowl, a training straw sippy cup, 2 spoons, and 2 forks. The strong suction base keeps plates and bowls firmly in place on any smooth surface, preventing spills and dropped dishes. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, this set is BPA, PVC, phthalate, and lead-free, ensuring safety for your little one. The utensils are perfectly sized for tiny hands, while the tall curved bowl sides help with scooping and self-feeding. Easy to clean in the dishwasher or by hand, it's also lightweight and portable for meals on the go. Help your baby gain independence with this thoughtfully designed feeding set built for 6 months and up. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.